Hello guys, what's up? I have a brand new video. It's Matty and I've just got some new camping gear. We'll go outdoors. So I just picked myself up a new tent. It's the OLX Fox on V2. It's a pretty good tent from what I've seen in the videos. It was originally £175, but I got this for £65 with the Go Outdoors membership, which is only £5. Get it in the bio. I'll put a link to it so you can get it. It just takes you straight onto the Go Outdoors website. And it takes loads of percentage off, but I'm not camping tonight because it's Wednesday on a school night and it's 8:15. No, 7:15. So that's the new tent and we're going to be using that on the weekend. So I've got a camp planned with that tent on the weekend with me, Will, Brandon, probably Sean. Not sure, but he probably will come because he always comes anytime I ask him. So yeah, basically that's it, and we're just going to be camping on the weekend. We're going to go to either the National Forest of Bowland or White Coppice, Chorley at Anglesark, and then we're going to do climbing. I've got a boat as well. I bought an inflatable boat, and we're going to be going on that in like a lake or something and just chill, show you guys and that. So we're going to go hunting, maybe, probably not, but maybe. Camping, hiking, climbing, all that. So I'll see you guys there. Yo guys, I'm back. It's 2:49 Saturday and I'm in all the gear pack now. I just took a shower and that. Got this new jacket, pretty fresh, waterproof. So I've got all the stuff ready, almost, and I'm gonna get a taxi down to Will's. After that, Will's dad's gonna take us to White Coppice, and I'm gonna put a time lapse in the taxi. So see you guys there.
We all got a purpose, gotta trust the process. It's a long road, but we got this, no stress. From the streets of Brooklyn to the hills of LA, every step we take, we're paving our way. With the dreams in our hearts and the fire in our eyes, we're pushing through the struggles, reaching for the skies. In the hustle and the grind, we find our strength. Every setback's a setup for a greater length. With the faith in the journey and hope in our soul, we're climbing every mountain, reaching every goal.
Yo guys, I just got out Will's. Taxi just dropped me off here. Hiking pole, you get me? And we're gonna be waiting for Brandon. Will's gonna get ready and that. And then once he's ready, we're gonna get, like, Will's dad's gonna take us to White Coppice, and then I'll put a time lapse in of that ride, and then yeah, we're gonna be camping, cooking. I'll show everything in it, but take it easy. Yo guys, we just got here. We are in Chorley with Brennan and Will. So I've got my hiking pole. So we've just been dropped off by the taxi, and we're gonna start hiking in a sec. It is dark now because like we were sorting out a bunch of things and that. But when we get like to the start of the trail, then I'm gonna make another video of when we're there. But this is where we are, just in this like estate thing. But the road is over there, and we're going to be going there in a minute, so take it easy. Hiking. Come on. Almost here now. The mountain's over there. We just need to get through this path past this lake. Then we're going to make food and chill. Yo. We're here in White Coppice. We're at the bottom of the mountain. There's William. There's Brandeezy. Mongolian. It's dark as hell, but we're here. The man them being all crazy. It's actually pretty nice, this place. And hopefully there's a sunset in the day, but I'm not sure how good the audio is right now because it's a bit windy, but When we're at the top, I'm gonna have to put a voiceover because it's gonna be really windy. We're climbing, steep as hell. Will's took us the steepest way, but hey, well. Making way up slowly. Can't wait to get some food in me. But the drop down, you can't see it, but there's a drop down here. It is steep, ridiculously steep. They're just there hiking ahead. But yeah, I'll show you guys when we're getting the tent set up and that. This is sketchy as hell. Waterfall there. There's a flip. Sketchy as hell. Careful. Be careful, bro. Just jump it or something. Nice, nice. Aye, go ahead. So, cross that now. But it gets steep and slim, like as you can see, it's like this all the way, but it's steeper than this. And it's just bare rocks and stuff. Like we're in between both of the sides, but right, we've come the wrong way and I've just fell. I was walking across the water, like it's a thin layer of water, see what it was. Next minute there was a big hole in the floor. I've just fell straight into it, all soaking. That's not a good thing because these are supposed to be waterproof. Well, they are waterproof boots, it's not their boots fault. But the waterproof boots, it's going to be hard as hell to get them dried. So they're not going to be waterproof anymore, but that back across the dodgy bit. And we're going to have to find the right way because it's dark, it's hard to navigate through here. Yo guys, we've just got here. Everything's set up. Both of the tents. We met some people and they've got fireworks, so they said they're gonna do a small firework display. But it's my new tent. It looks pretty good. Yeah, it's the OEX Fox One V2. There's Will. This is Will's nature hike. Gator. And there's another guy camping over the little fire. But everyone's gathered up here. They made us some food, which is really nice of them. But I'm gonna have a bit more food and then we're gonna watch them do this firework. So yeah. Nice fire going, made by the people. Need another lighter. Green glow. Yo guys, I've just got in the new tent. A bit smaller obviously because it's a stealth tent, but all set up and everything. Everything's chilling. The man were outside making food. So yeah, we're chilling in here. Well, I am. They're going to be sleeping in a two-man tent. I'm in this one man. I've just had food in that. And we're going to go have a fire in a minute and chill, have a fire, do all that stuff, and then hit the bed, get some sleep. But just warming up in here for a bit until I go out to them, so see you guys then. Yo guys, just a quick one. Woken up, went to sleep at like 9 or 10 or something, I don't even know to be honest. I woke up 3:10 in the morning. Yeah, 3:11 in the morning, which is pretty late. I'm trying to get back to sleep, but I can't get back to sleep. So I'm just chilling here. I'm gonna chill for like half an hour until I'm tired again, and then go back to sleep. But it is -1 degrees now. I don't actually know how it's got so cold. It's not even supposed to be that cold. It is up here clearly. I mean, we are on a flipping mountain, to be honest. But rolled the 600. And this sleeping bag is absolutely amazing. I'm not cold one bit in it. This tent is amazing. I'm not cold one bit in it. This is actually my first time using this tent, so if I was worth to give it a 0 out of 10, I'd give it like a 7 because it's a good tent. Like, it's a small little chilling tent. You can just chill in it and like do all that stuff. And yeah, you've got enough space basically to sleep. But it's not good if you want to like change like clothes or anything because you've not got much space to move around. As you can see, the ceiling's right there. So you got my torch on there because I couldn't see. But it's a pretty good tent. It keeps me really warm. It's double layered, 5,000. I think it's like MA or something of waterproofness, which is like really good for like just when it rains. It's not like massive storms in that, but it would probably take a tiny little storm. But it's double layered. I mean, not double layered. It's double doored. Door here. Like, this one doesn't actually open on the other side as well. You can open that and put your gear on the other side. But this is the actual door. There you go. I get some Yo guys, that is the end of the video. I've just had some food, made a coffee, and take it easy. See you in a bit.